What do you have on your fork?
Lots of rice.
And what else?
Furikake.
Furikake? Wow, that's a huge bite, Nick. Was it good? Good?
I'm going to try some more.
Okay.
Oh, I got some more rice. Michael, now get some.
Do you need help?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, no! Oh, there's some. There's some. Am I going to feed by myself?
Is it good? How about some meatballs? Make sure you blow on it because it might be hot.
Too hot like that.
Too hot. Let me see.
Too big.
Too big. It's not too hot and it's not too big. What do you want? You want to watch? You want to watch your movie? Okay. After dinner.
But not like deer trucks.
What?
Deer trucks.
You didn't like what?
Deer trucks.
The trucks?
No. My train one.
Your train? Huh.